If your Frigidaire microwave is frozen or not responding, a reset is usually quick and effective. Start with a basic power reset. Unplug the microwave from the wall outlet to completely cut power to the control board. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. This allows the internal capacitors to discharge so the reset properly clears minor glitches. After a minute, plug the unit back in securely. You may hear a beep or see the display flash. This simply means the control board has rebooted. If the display shows blinking zeros or asks to set the clock, go ahead and set the time. Many Frigidaire models won't operate correctly until the clock is programmed. Next, test the microwave by running a quick 30-second heating cycle with a cup of water. If the keypad responds and the unit heats normally, the reset works. If it's still unresponsive, try a deeper reset. Unplug the microwave again, then press and hold the start, stop, or clear button for 5 to 10 seconds while it's unplugged. Plug it back in and test again. This can clear stubborn control panel glitches.